Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Acura TLX using the key fob. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your vehicle before you even step inside. It's a simple process that takes just a few seconds. We'll cover the exact steps to get your engine running, ensuring your car is ready and comfortable for your drive, whether it's a chilly morning or a hot afternoon. To begin, make sure you are within approximately 300 feet of your Acura. First, press the lock button on your key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the circular engine button. Continue holding it for about 3 seconds. You will see the parking lights flash, indicating the remote start command has been received and the engine is starting. It's a quick and easy two-step process. Once the engine starts, the parking lights will stay on, confirming successful remote activation. Your Acura's engine will run for a default duration of 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can repeat the remote start procedure within the initial 10-minute period to extend the run time for an additional 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes of engine operation. For optimal use, avoid performing more than 2 consecutive remote starts. The vehicle's climate control system will automatically set to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, heating or cooling the cabin as needed. In colder weather, seat heaters and defrost may also activate. Remember, the effective range for your key fob remote start is generally up to 328 feet, depending on obstructions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.